Do you know that you can create custom banners using generative AI right inside your doc? Let's look into it. I am ABHP here. Today we will see about designer integration announced in the new Windows 11 along with Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you don't know what Microsoft 365 Copilot does, then you can check out my previous video on that. It's like having a personal assistant who can help you with all your needs. Along with that, with DALL-E 3, you can create custom banners and images for your documents. Just give it a prompt and DALL-E 3 will generate an image for you. If there is a need to edit the image, you can click edit and go directly to Microsoft Designer right from the chat. Inside the Designer application, you can do basic layout edits to your needs. There are multiple AI generation options like remove backgrounds, generate custom elements into an image, remove people from image, replace current objects in an image, and so on. This is one kind of approach to bring AI, I guess. There you go. I hope this video gives an insight on what you can do with Microsoft Designer along with the Copilot. Have a productive day.